Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. And now already Wednesday. Yeah, so it's about to go into weekend, right? Hello Asakun, how are you? So gold is facing with a very high pressure of selling at the moment. Okay, so as you can see on the chart, there is a double top pattern appears, right? It cannot break out from the previous peak, 43.86. So this is gonna be a very strong resistance, and gold decrease more than $300. So this is the biggest sell-off in this year, $300 for a few days. From yesterday, yeah, from yesterday until now. Even though gold recover, but this is just a fake bull trap. Yeah, this is just a bull trap. Hi Sha, thank you so much for joining today live stream so on time. Alright, so how is the view of everybody for today market? For today gold market? Gold will go down or up again? Can you comment? So let's interact in the beginning of today's live stream. Hi MD, long time no see you. So can you guess that today, how's today market? Gold market will going up or down? Let's comment. Yeah, I would like to hear your answer to forecast for today gold market. Now I'm opening for our time frame. Going down, I see. So it's heading to the below support level. And it's officially breakdown from the previous breakout point. This is where gold breakout, right? And it's officially heading down from this resistance level, from this support level. Down below here, we will facing with the key support level, nearly 4,000. And $4,000 will be the psychological level. All right. And currently, there is a very powerful bearish candle is forming in the 4-hour chart, and it's filling, the liquidity gap from this candle formed in the Asian session. Okay, it's better for me to draw a line at 4,000 level. Very powerful bearish candle, but we have to be careful of a very scary market. Indeed, yeah, that's why for every layer you are in, we must set the stop loss order. Or if you're scared if the market's moving with high volatility like this, you can lower your trading volume. Hello, Bradley. Hi, Mata. Okay, your guess that the market will going down. I see. Together we will observe how it's gonna be react at the key resistance level, key support level. Okay, 4,000. Yeah, very nice number. nothing can go up forever, right? So if anyone's still stuck at the level 43.30, yeah, when it's recover in a short term, that's time for you to handle on the stock order. I still remember that a friend told me on my live stream that he stuck. Isn't you as a coon? You stuck for one position for buy order, aren't you? So I hope that everyone having stuck position at the high level, okay, and especially for the buy order against the current market direction at the moment, you already recover or you already handle, yeah, when the market coming back to the previous peak. You see that in a 4-hour time frame, the candle is forming is not good, yeah, not supported by the buyers. If the market tend to forming a new all-time high this week, the current peak must be forming a very powerful bearish candle, yeah, breakouts from a previous peak strongly. But like I share with you, it's very far away from the below EMA ribbons, and according to RSI, this area belong to the overbought. Yeah, this price level belong to the overbought area according to using relative strength index. Selling pressure is crazy. If you are observe the market for a long time, for many times, for many years ago, from 2008, this is not a string. Yeah, this is not a string phenomenon at all. Yes, of course, there must be a selling pressure, and it's about time. At the end of this month, we will have a Fed public news about the changing of interest rate, right? So this selling pressure, yeah, is the reason why for gold adjustment. It must be, yeah, this thing must be happen. And when the interest rate changing, interest rate cut, that will be the reason, the factors, yeah, push for gold recovers again. Anyway, it's still in the long term, it's still in the current uptrend, and this price zone is still belong to the overbought area. As you can see on a weekly trading chart, weekly time frame, yeah, RSI is still above 70 level, and of course adjustment must be happened. Okay, and when you see the price moving steadily, increasing steadily, you need to observe multi-time frame. Okay, and if anyone you do it, you can easily recognize that it's very dangerous for you to FOMO to the buyers. Okay, and that is gonna be your experience in trading. We must observe multi-time frame. Yeah, this is the trading tips for you, especially for the beginners. Okay, hi Pascal, welcome back. Okay, Bralad, you predict the 4000 4088 gonna be your next move. Okay, anyway, that goal is still facing with the current uptrend in the long term, right? Adjustment is definite. Okay, so now it's recover from 4015, yeah, 4015 level. This is the liquidity gap, was formed from this candle yesterday. Oops, it's not 1 hour. Let me check. This candle, how is it gonna be? Alright, this candle was formed in the early Asian session. Yeah, and forming liquidity gap. And it need to fill. Yeah, gold price tend to fill entire this gap. So let's go to the smaller time frame. You see that any bullish candle will be destroyed immediately by the sellers. Okay, so are you looking for a scalping signal in today's live stream? Once again, let's comment yes. So let me know you are ready for the scalping signal today. Okay, only Martha. Are there only Martha ready? Anyone else? Let me know. Come on, be active. Hello, Hot. Okay, another person ready. Hi, Fernando. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Webb. Hi, Rick. Hi, Mooney. Okay. Yeah, waiting for it. So that's why I will set up another scalping signal. Yeah, support by the sellers. Okay. I will follow the sellers for this scalping signal today. And this is not a good position currently, so it's better for us to set up a pending order. Okay, this is where I draw this resistance level. Yeah, breakout area. Okay, in the hours time frame, 4 hours and 1 hour time frame. Okay, do you know that we need to wait for good position for sell order? Okay, and for my strategy, I do not prefer to FOMO for the current momentum. Yeah, when I don't have any good position to enter the market. Hi, Mohammed. Welcome back. Yeah, there's a lot of people is ready. Okay, so good luck everyone for the current pending order that I show you on the chart. Okay, according to using EMA for your analysis, you can see that all the candles is lying below 3 EMA's ribbon, right? And RSI is moving to the oversold area. Okay, so at the 4,000 level, it's gonna be a good choice. Yeah, good choice for you to enter a buy signal if it hit. Yeah, if it hit. Yeah, I'm still coughing, you know, it's very take long time to recover entirely. Hi, Vishnu. Oh, this is my first time I see your name. So are you new to my channel? Hi, Martha. Oh, why are you sorry? Why are you sorry? May I know why are you sorry now? Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe for today's live stream and subscribe for my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I will. Thank you, MD. Yeah, I have medicine every day. You know, there's a lot of types of medicines. I really hate it. but I have to drink them. Okay guys, signals was set. Okay, just setting the pending order. Okay, so would you like me to do analysis for any currency pairs or BTC? Okay, I will observe today speed of the market, and if it's slowly, if it's slowly, okay, you can sell now, everyone. Sell now, sell now. Consider to the current at the 40, 30 to 40, 32. We're about here. Enter enough position. All right, this entry zone is kind of far from our current price, so that's why I set up for the real-time scalping signal for the current price zone. Okay, it's very fast. The speed was very fast. Are you in? 30 pips already. You know that whenever I set up the real-time signal, we need to pay attention to the market because price is moving quickly, 30 pips in a minute. So it's heading back is to have a chance for you. Okay, so very powerful. Bullish momentum is coming back. 30 minutes in a second. 30 pips in a second. I see. Okay, everyone, let me know that you are get this signal on time. Oh shit, it hit the stop loss again, 30 pips, and yeah, hit the stop loss. Okay, so we wait for the next position. Yeah, this scalping signal is very fast. 30 pips and then hit stop loss. Okay, so it's better for us to wait for the higher position to enter the trade. Now the bullish momentum is kind of strong at the moment. Alright, it's heading back. So it's about to the New York session. So today market is very crazy. You can see that in a very small time frame, like 1 minute, it's moving up to 50 pips. Yeah, and congratulations everyone in my VIP members, in my VIP signal group, that you gain 30 pips for the next signal. Yeah, sell at 4,037. You know that there will be a lot of benefits when you join in my VIP signal group. Yeah, and on the public live stream, I cannot provide you too many signals, it will not fair to the VIP members. So yeah, I would like to receive your understanding, and if you want to receive many scalping signals for one day, more than 10 scalping signals for day trading, you can refer my signals on the VIP signal group, and I will have two types of VIP members. That one is focused on the gold market and another one is focused on the currency pairs. So in a 1 minute time frames, it's already forming a double top, but we need to wait for the next candle that is going to be support for the sellers or not. Anyway, that I would like to send my congratulations for all VIP members today. It's just a minute and you gain around 70 pips. But anyway, my friends, you watching my live stream today will also gain 30 pips. Very quickly, right? But unfortunately, that after that it's going to hit the stop loss. So that is the signal. Today New York sessions will fluctuate in a high volatility. Okay, and if you want to protect your capital, lower your trading volume. Okay, lower your trading volume. Hi Bralette, you're having 20 pips. Continue. May I know your entry point from this one, from your signal? Okay. So now we will wait for the higher levels for the sell entry zone. Okay. GBP, JBY. Okay, let's take a look for this currency pair. Alright, it's still under a very strong downtrend like gold, right? Oh, sorry, I need to change into the bigger time frame. Okay, so anyway, that market is moving in a big range of sideways. Yeah, it's just moving in this sideways range, and now it's moving at the it's heading to the below support level, but it tend to break down. Okay, so you can see that there's not a lot of support momentum, bullish momentum here at this level. Let me check. 201, nearly 202. Okay, so in my point of view, this currency pair is still facing with the powerful downtrend, and we need to observe how the candles forming at this level, at this key level, key support level. And RSI is still facing with a very it's heading to the overbought area soon. You see that it's heading down just nearly 36, right? 36. So yeah, it's better for us to wait for the confirmations from this key support level. Okay, if another candles, this candle, a new candles break down from this key support level, you see that you can confidently to enter the sell signal. Okay, 202 will be your key level to observe. And if you want to receive the specific, the detail signal, you're welcome to my Forex Platinum signal. Okay, thank you so much. Anyways, still moving in the big sideways range. You see that the candle is lying on the 3 EMA ribbon, and when you scroll, you zoom out. You zoom out for the chart. This is the range from 203 to 200. Okay, Alright, so let's going back to gold. 40. Yeah, it's heading to 40. Hi Raphael, I don't know that you are talking to which signal. Currently, all my VAB members is still gaining profit. So don't scam in my chat box, okay? There's a lot of people from other group or other community comes to my live stream and they complain a negative opinion. It's not true. Okay, I show you all evidence that for my layers, my profit and my entries. So there's nothing to follow this. No, I don't talking about you. I talking about Raphael. In future, you have copy trading. You know that I receive a lot of requests from many friends, yeah, for this type of trading. But you know that copy trading is also a lot of risk, and you cannot manage your capital by yourself, your trading account by yourself. So in my point of view, that I always encourage you to study, to learn about the technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and control your psychology when you do trading. Yeah, it's better for you because that time you can manage your trading account by yourself. Nothing can do it. I'm here to be your fellow and do the consultant for the signal. Okay, buy or sell signal. It depends to you, and it depends to your decision. Okay, so it's better for you to learn and manage your live trading account by yourself. And for some countries, it's illegal for copy trading. Yeah, that's just the information I know recently. So it's kind of dangerous, right? So I don't want to do anything relating to the illegal things. So yeah, just be safe. Okay, and if you want to learn about technical analysis, okay, you can subscribe my channel and welcome to my VIP members, because now I'm setting the private live stream to sharing the technical analysis lessons. And firstly, I'm sharing with my VIP members about the price action, how is candlestick patterns form, how to set up the entry zone, stop loss, take profits by using those patterns. Just doing step by step, because this market is not for anyone who are hurry and not disciplined and greedy. Yeah, you can be the shark bait if you are one of them. Okay, so Pralat, I believe that you have the buy signal at the moment, right? So you're a good scalping. You're a good scalper. You can do the analyze. You can get profit. So yeah, that's a good trader. And remember about the risk management lesson. Okay, do not trade like you're a gambler. And if you're satisfied with your profit already, just close the trade, because now it's facing with another bearish reaction at the moment. We don't want the profits we are gaining loss, right? From the plus, from the money plus, in plus, it turned into minus. So we don't want that, and that feeling is very irritated, right? So feel enough. Okay, be enough. And don't be greedy for this market. Okay, it's gonna be a bit if you choose to trade at the swing trader or intraday. You know, because we are focused, we need to choose and focus on which trading style we will follow. Tell me more about your VIB. Which one? Which part do you want to hear? There will be more than 10 signal a day. Okay, and I always remain the winning rate more than 80% for a week. Okay, and you will receive the private lesson, the private live stream lesson on my VIP signal group. And there will be 2 groups like I just shared with you. One is focused on the currency pairs, and I call them Forex Platinum. And another one is focused on the gold market. Okay, and everyone loves gold. Everyone loves trading with the gold market. You can focus to this market mostly. And I call this Gold Platinum. Yeah, Gold Platinum signal group. So it depends to your decisions. And the most important thing is that the fee is less than $50 a month. Okay, so this fee is very affordable for everyone. You will receive a lot of benefits, especially you will multiply your trading account many times, and this is also depends to your ability how to get it. I just do the consultants for you for the trading signal. Okay, and you must be disciplined, follow the risk management lesson, and after that, yeah, follow enough the signal that I posted in my VIP signal group. You know that I wake up very early, nearly 3 a.m. Yeah, in the France time. So more than 14 hours observing the chart a day. So this is a very pressure work, but I'm here. I will be your fellow, sharing with you the qualified scalping signal and the technical analysis lesson. Okay, because I'm your fellow, I'm your reliable fellow. You can trust and follow my signal. Okay, so this is just the honest sharing that I want to share with you. So you can refer it, and I'm waiting for you there. Yeah, this has been a long time desktop screen. You know that nearly 8 years to practice. 8 years, nearly a decade. So after this 2025 is gonna be 9 years. So nearly a decade observing one market. So is it long? Is it long time? Yeah, it's not long, it's not short, it's a significant time. Okay, significant time for any traders. And most of the traders enter for this market just survive a few days if they are greedy. There's a lot of my friends that they just deposit today and the next day they broke. Okay, so only one reason that you are greedy, you're not disciplined to follow the risk management. You use the big leverage. Yeah, you overuse the leverage, and boom, your account will wash away in a minute. How you start? Just like you. Yeah, long times ago, I just a employee at a very normal company, and I know first for stock, yeah, for investment stock, and after that, I also learn about the gold and forex market. Yeah, so I realized that this is my another passion, and after gaining some profitable trading, I guess that's just because of luck. Because in the beginning, I do not understand about technical analysis. I just FOMO for the signal, and it's also required for luck. Yeah, actually. So I was depend on the market. Yeah, I was addicted to trade, but you know that I was greedy. I was greedy in the beginning after gaining profit, and I wanted more, and I maximized overused the leverage, maximized my trading because I believe that my analysis was correct, but it's not. Yeah, the real trading chart slapped to my face. And yeah, actually that there are a few accounts will wash away because of my greedy actually. So I decided to learn again from my mentors. Yeah, there's a lot of mentors that from internet. From that time, the internet is still not have so many data and documents about technical analysis actually. So but lucky for me that I meet a very qualified and trustworthy mentor. So I follow him and I practice. Yeah, the most important thing, I practice my discipline, writing down the trading diary. Yeah, like the video I share for you, that is how I begin. Yeah, it wasn't lie at all. It's not a makeup story, it's a real story from me. And I prepared those videos like the stories I want to share with you. And that is my experience for the trading. Because we need practice, we need to spending our time to trade, okay? But first, you can practice on your demo account. No need to deposit real money in the beginning if you are not familiar to use the trading platforms. You can open the trading demo account of any broker. Yeah, every broker, they will have that type of account and you can open it. So you can use it for a while, for short times, to getting familiar to the appearance and also the applications of trading, and especially the speed. Yeah, the speed of the price movement, especially when you enter the New York session. You know, so yeah, I just want to talk to you that everything we must spend our time to research. Yeah, to research and learn for it. Money is not easy to earn from this market. Yeah, if you already made money from this market, be treasure it, okay? And going back to the correct path, to the correct way, okay? And never use the borrow money to trade actually. Is not a good consequence to coming for you at all, because when you're trading pressure, you cannot do anything well. Okay, hi Rusu. Wow, thank you so much for your comments. You know that sometimes, especially in the New York session time, and the speed of the price movement is very steady. It just in the click. Yeah, it's like a blink of an eye. So if you want to maximize your efficiency, yeah, your trading efficiency, yeah, at least you must follow enough my signal, okay? And spend your time when you enter any signal. And if you don't want to face with any pressure, just trade with your appropriate trading volume, okay? Before that, you calculate. Before you enter any layer, you enter any signal, calculate the loss. Yeah, my tips, another tips for you is just calculate the loss in advance, and you will get prepared for the psychology, and your emotion will be ready before you enter any signal. So that's why risk management lessons is the top important lessons for every beginners must learn. Okay, must learn before you enter and before you become official traders for every market. And this is gonna be the lessons I will share with you. Yeah, and this Friday live stream. Okay, we continue to the second lesson. The previous one was a general lesson for the meaning, definitions, and my stories, just share with you. Okay, and for the next lesson that's coming up on this Friday, I will show you how to calculate the profit, profit and loss when you enter any trade, any layers for gold market and other currency pairs. For currency pairs is a bit different because it relating to other currencies. And for gold, the profits will calculate based on the USD. Okay, so it's easier for you to understand. But anyway, it's still follow one formula already. Okay, and everything I will share with you on this Friday live stream on YouTube and absolutely free. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to your participations this Friday. Hi Sadiq. How to say? Now I'm living in France with my family. Yeah, I'm a half Asian girl. You can see my avatar on the screen. Yeah, there's a small circle avatar I show you on the chart, and yeah, you can see my face on my channel on Telegram as well. Half Asian girl. So you can see that my ancients is a bit different from French. Yeah, from French. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of profitable signals in my VAB signal group. Okay. So today we just catch to the correct direction. And yeah, you know that money will coming. Okay, just a few seconds, a few minutes that my team they made up a very profitable scalping signal for the sell entry 4043 to 4027, and you see that gold is still heading down strongly and below support zone like I just shared with you for $1,000. Okay, so I'd like to say my congratulations for all VAB members who are joining my live stream today. And yeah, they have a very good qualified scalping signal for today's New York session. Oh, I already prepared for the EMA's videos. You can looking for it, or you can send me a direct message and I will send you the link of that videos. Every day I prepare for at least one video and upload to my YouTube channel. Okay, you can scroll it down to looking for the video relating to EMAs. It's just public last week or several weeks ago. Yeah, like I just remember, because these indicators I also require a lot of was required a lot of by my friends how to install them, set up EMAs on the trading view. Okay, so this is just a friendly invitation for everyone that you want to maximize your trading profit. Welcome to my VAB signal group. Less than $50 and you can maximize your capital many times as long as you're disciplined and follow to enough signals. Alright, just follow the correct trend and you see that more than nearly 400 pips, just a few minutes. Yeah. Okay, so I for the previous signal 4059 is kind of far away from the below bright zone. $40 discrepancy already. Okay, so for any scalping signal that wasn't active, you should delete it after the New York session. Okay, when the New York session ends. What's your Instagram handle? You can scan the QR code that I insert on the trading view on your left side of the corner. Just scan it. Yeah, take the screenshot and scan it. It will direct you to my community on Telegram. Or you can open your Telegram applications on your device and scan for this QR code. Alright, so in the view, let's go back to the smaller time frame. Where's the picture coming? Okay, there it is. So anyone from my VIP signal group who is joining my live stream today? So today profits is very amazing, right? I have a wonderful team, you know, they support me a lot. And now it's still under a very powerful downtrend in the small time frame or in the big time frame, like ours. And we can see it's forming a downtrend line. Downtrend line like this. And forming a lower lows. And I believe that it will heading to $4,000 level in today's market, in today's session. So this is the name of my VIP members, you know. Hello. Oh, sorry, I don't know how to spell your name. Yeah, Faizar. Yeah, is it correct? Welcome back. And as I remember that long time I haven't seen you interact with me on my live stream. Okay, my dear friends, about 10 minutes later I will end my live stream and focus back on the VIP signal group. So anyone have the question want to ask me? Faizar. Okay, Faizar. I see. Faizar. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream today. So this signal, yeah, they just sweep the stop loss and now gold is dropping drastically. Okay, so anyone still hold this position so far? Anyone? 40 to 30 to 32. Anyone still hold this signal? How did you learn forex trading? I learned from internet and from my mentor. And now if you want to learn forex, you can join my community on YouTube. And this my live stream on this Friday, I will share with you the second lesson relating to pips, loss, and how to calculate the profits and loss when you trade gold and other currency pairs. Hi Whitland. Okay, so I would like to know that anyone still hold for the current signal for current entry at 40.30 to 40.32. So it's a pretty good entry, but unfortunately the market trapped for the stop loss. Yeah, it swept the stop loss, and now it still continues to the very powerful downtrend at the moment, and I believe that it still continues till at the end of today's New York session. And it's nearly to the $4,000 level as the key support level. Alright, just heading back. Okay, so you can say that in a small time frame, one body of the candles can move up to 50 pips. Yeah, just in a 5 minutes candle. So today the market challenging for anyone do not have the correct direction. You can see that it's still focused on the downtrend, but we don't know how to set up a good position. It's also very dangerous for our trading results, right? So I will become your fellow to instruct you how to enter the good position by following my signal. And for the technical analysis lesson, I will share with you step by step from the basic to advanced. While you are not handling your social media as well, I have a X account, X social, and for TikTok I'm planning to build it, but firstly I focus on Telegram and YouTube. YouTube I just built it from February. 7 months for my YouTube channels already. So just do step by step, because I do not have enough time to handle a dozen tasks a day. You know that more than 14 hours to observe the trading chart a day is gonna be a terribly pressure things I must handle every day. So but I feel happy for it, even though it's pressure, but I'm still very happy for it, because my VAB members, they also gain the profit from every scalping signal from me. And one thing I must clear with you is that trading is probability. I cannot make sure that every scalping signal is all bring the profit. And we must calculate our loss limitations for our psychology when we enter any trade. Okay. I did, but now it's still running. It's just a beginning, so I'm still waiting for the analytic. Okay, waiting for the first analytic. And if you have friends having the same passion to trading with you, you can invite them to join in my live stream. Thank you very much. $59, it's still active, but it's not hit. It's still not hit to the current entry zone. So we need to wait, and for this signal will be cancelled. It will be cancelled at the end of New York session. Okay, and for the next day I will update my gold trading plan, and of course every signals that from my VAB signal group will be refreshed and renewed at all. All of them. For my gold trading plan, it wasn't active from after 9 p.m. According to Frank's time, you should delete all the pending orders as well. Make shorts and upload to YouTube daily. Every day I prepare a video, and the length of each video is just around less than 10 minutes. And I used to prepare for the short video less than 60 seconds, but it's still forming with a video. It's not forming like short. It's just a video, you know. So I wonder how it's gonna be upload like the short video. Oh, I see. So it's better than the long video. Short video is better than long one. Do you mean like that? I see. So thank you for your opinion. I will check with my team once again about this. Okay. So that's why I very love to live stream on YouTube, because that time I receive your stories and your question, and also sometimes your consultant how to developing my channel every day. Yeah, I'm very treasure for that. Okay, it's about time and I have to say goodbye. So I just want to remind you, so this Friday we will continue to the second lesson. Okay, and remember to join it on time. You don't know that it's gonna be any surprising things that will waiting for you for this Friday lesson. Okay, remember for the pending order, if it wasn't active, you should delete it after the New York session. Okay, do not let anything to make you regret because of the nonsense mistake. Okay, I can make and provide you shortly videos if it's possible. How can you? Yeah, how can you? Because I need to record my voice and prepare for the videos resources. Okay, so we will discuss, and can you send me a direct message on Telegram and discuss with me about this? Okay, thank you so much. And for my VIP members, today New York sessions is very challenging and crazy, like you said. So remember to trade safely and follow closely to my signal and my instruction on the VIP signal group. Okay, and thank you so much for joining my live stream today, even though we just had a small profit for the one scalping signal and one pending order. Okay, but anyway, we still have a lot of good time together. Thank you and goodbye. Have a lovely day.